And hello there, this is David from the True Blue Sand blog again. I got my camera in my hand because we're going to walk around this tree and look at it. I got the GoPro on too. I spotted this hickory snag a year ago and never got back to it to cut it. And it's what we call a schoolmarm. It's got two stems going up. It's not a merchantable length below that. And we go up and we can see it is dead. And I kind of debated on how to cut it last year, and now the decision is easy. Do you want to take it down as one, or do you want to take both of them down separately? And you walk around and look at this side, and the stump has got rot in it. And I don't want to take a chance on that. I don't want to take a chance that it'll hold together. You know, a good chance of trying to cut this is one, it's going to bust. And you don't want to be under a snag when it busts. So we aren't going to do that. And I walked around this thing. And what I look for, and now the decision is easy. You want to take it down as one, or you want to take both of them down separately. And you walk around and look at this side, and the stump has got rot in it, and I don't want to take a chance on that. I don't want to take a chance that it'll hold together. You know, a good chance of trying to cut this is one, it's going to bust, and you don't want to be under a snag when it busts. So we aren't going to do that. And I've walked around this thing. And what I look for, oh crap, my camera is about out. Okay, well I still got my GoPro. What I look for on one of these is trying to find where there's no side lean. If you don't have side lean, even a crappy hinge will probably hold. And that's what we got here. See this thing right here, I'm aiming just to the right of it, and when I check this with a plumb, they're both really straight here, and so that's where I'm going to go. I'm going to aim right in here. Now you come around 90 degrees from that to see if it has forward or back lean. Now you don't want to do back lean on a snag that's been standing here, especially hickory. They get soft inside. And look at the near one first. That one. Look at the near one first. And it's got forward weight. You got a limb hanging out there on the left side. It's forward. And we get around here where we can look at the other one. It's got good forward weight too. That's good because I won't have to pound wedges, I'm hoping. I don't want to pound wedges under this beast. And then we've got to look up top and see which one I should drop first. If I drop, we're going that way. If I drop this back one first, it's gonna hit the top of the other one. I don't want to do that. I want it to fall free. Now if I do the forward one first, it should fall free. And that's good. I don't want any trash raining down on me. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut from this side. I don't want to have to go around the thing. Cut from this side, get my cuts in here. We're going to aim it right there and get my cuts in. And we're going to just cut out the back and get away from it. I'm going to get it cut and turn and go over there. And I wish my camera hadn't quit. I thought I had it plugged in. I guess I didn't have the plug in good. So I'm going to move this camera out of the way so I don't trip over it, since it's not doing me any good right now. Okay. Move the stick over here. And we are ready to fire up and see how this baby goes. Oh, one more thing, we didn't thump them. Let's see how they sound. Oh man, you can feel that vibrate. That bottom's getting real punky. That sounds hard yet. That's good dry wood. That sounds solid too. But down in here, listen to the difference. Punky, vibrates, hard up here. Okay, should drop okay. So we're gonna fire up and let me get rid of this hatchet. Yeah, no, I'll leave it here in case, just in case I need the wedge. So I'm gonna cut that one, get away, and then come back and cut that one. We're going to do our aim cut from here. It'll lead you to the right. Our aim is right here. Get this one aimed too. Got our aim cuts done. Okay, it's standing there nearly balanced. Let's see if it goes any more when it moves. Okay, we're gonna up there and stick a wedge in half her light. There we go. Get away. And there she goes. Boom. Oh, see those pieces come down? That's why you get away from that stump. Okay. Okay. We're going to do the other one now. Look at this stump. Yeah, see that stump about 1 3/4 inches. Should have been a 1-inch hinge. Would have gone a little better. Made it a little thick. But, you know, on a snag, you're never sure exactly where you ought to be with that. Okay. Switch on. punch it. Away we go. Is she gonna go? No, she's standing there balanced. Give her a little help. She's wiggling. Come on. There she goes. There she's tipping. Back up a little. There she goes. Whoa. That's some power. Okay. Now it's time to make wood. Yeah, I got my hinge about 1.5 inches on that one. It had good solid wood right in the middle. Got a little fiber pull. Okay. That's a nice mess. Okay, well I'll just back right up there and get me a load of wood. Let's see how that wood feels. That is dry wood. That's what I wanted. Okie doke. Thank you for visiting. I'm going to turn this camera off and we'll catch you later.